Levels will be measured by the 25-OHD blood test administered by a nurse. This is used to evaluate vitamin D blood levels. The other secondary outcome, increased bone mineral density, will be evaluated using the DEXA scanner. This will be also administered by the nurse to evaluate bone mineral density. Both the 25-OHD blood test and the DEXA scanner have been shown to be reliable and valid evaluation measures in healthcare. The results will be analyzed using a dependent t-test to compare pre- and post-intervention data, along with mixed regression analysis. The independent variables include time, age, ethnicity, and specific sport, while the dependent variables for primary outcomes include calcium consumption and vitamin D consumption, and for secondary outcomes include vitamin D serum concentration and bone mineral density, respectively. The total proposed budget needed for this intervention is approximately $184,750. Funding will be requested from the New York State Department of Health, the National Institute of Health, and the Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics. This budget includes the program director salary, nurse salary, dietitian salary, and chef salary, along with the food and materials for post-practice snacks, post-game meals, participant snack cooking classes, parent-guardian cooking classes, and the incentive trip to Atlantic City, as well as the speaking fee for Olivia Dunn. This intervention was created to motivate young women to properly nourish themselves to continue succeeding in their athletic career as long as they choose. By participating in the intervention in high school, hopefully many of the participants will continue consuming adequate vitamin D and calcium throughout the rest of their athletic career. Many of the resources will be provided after the intervention has been completed. The social media pages will still contain nutrition tips and facts about sports nutrition, as well as all the recipes from the practice snacks, post-game meals, and parent-guardian cooking classes. Participants will also have paper brochures from all intervention lessons, which they can refer back to after the intervention has concluded. The behavior changes will also be reinforced by external influences because the intervention was created with the use of the social ecological model. Participants will have completed the intervention with their teammates and friends, which is reinforcing because adolescents strive to fit in. The intervention also influences the participants' parents, who now have the knowledge to create nutrient-dense meals. The school nurses and local physicians will reinforce the importance of calcium and vitamin D in a female athlete's diet. The changes in the school food service system will hopefully be permanent, as the dietitian will meet with the food service director to create nutrient-dense meals, and these recipes can be kept in the food service system to be used repeatedly. Finally, I will be discussing my volunteer experience at the Regional Food Bank of Northeastern New York. I spent 2 volunteer shifts helping to organize the dry storage foods. Each shift was an hour and a half, and I completed 1 shift in March and 1 shift in April. I have volunteered at the Regional Food Bank several times before the semester, but have had limited time to volunteer during the semester. I enjoy volunteering with the Regional Food Bank because they serve many food pantries around New York, and everyone is really nice there and willing to answer any questions. And finally, here are my references.